Hello, good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with you for the daily analysis of the GBP/USD currency pair on February 6th. We're on the weekly time frame. Last week, with the weakening of the dollar, the price of this currency pair surged and broke through its previous peak. However, on January 28th, after news about the new Federal Reserve chairman was released, we saw the dollar strengthen, and last week's candle closed below its previous peak. Now this week, we can see a bearish candle, which is reacting to the weekly FPG in this area. Now, on the daily time frame, we can see that after the price reached the key level of 1.3620, and following the release of some news related to both currencies, it faced a decline and quickly moved past this daily BPR. After filling the daily FPG, the price dropped down to the 1.3509 range. But currently, the daily candle is showing an upward movement. Among the important news for this currency pair on February 5th, which was yesterday, we can mention the Bank of England's Monetary Policy Report as well as the Monetary Policy Summary. We also had the votes of the members of the Monetary Policy Committee, where the announced results differed from the forecasts, but as for the interest rate, as expected, it was announced unchanged. Also, regarding the US dollar, we had two employment-related data releases, unemployment claims and job openings, both of which came out worse than expected. Additionally, for today's news, we will have two important announcements related to the US dollar. As a result of yesterday's news, we can see that today, the US dollar is among the weakest currencies in the market, while the British pound is trading with much greater strength. This difference in strength between the two currencies could be considered a bullish signal for the GBP/USD pair. We can clearly observe this difference in strength on the 4-hour time frame, where after a price drop and filling the 4-hour FPG, the price reacted to this area and, after collecting the FPG at the 1.3508 region, reversed from this area and started a bullish move. As a bullish scenario on the 1-hour time frame, we can consider that if the price returns to its previous low around the 1.3557 area and the 1-hour FPG collects the liquidity in this zone and then bounces back up after gathering the liquidity present in this area, we can expect a move towards higher liquidity zones such as the 1-hour FPG at the price of 1.3636. However, alongside these points, we should keep in mind that the overall trend on the 1-hour time frame has been bearish, and with its recent move, the price broke below the 1.3624 area and formed a break of structure. So, as a second and bearish scenario, we can also consider that after the price reaches the FPG levels, it may collect their liquidity, and then, if we see signs of weakness, we can enter sell trades and target lower levels. However, considering that today is the last trading day of the week and there is a possibility of geopolitical tensions in the next 2 days, it's better to manage your risk and capital with extra care. Wishing you success and profits.